So we're back in Medellin. We've been back here for a month, and we're gonna give you a quick tour of the house, give you an update of how things are going. Today is May 30th, and we have exactly 2 months to finish this project because we already have a booking the first weekend of August, so like August 1st. Yeah, let's give you a quick tour of how everything looks. It's coming along, but it's still in pretty rough shape. Yeah, let's hope we can finish in a month and a half, 2 months. So let's go. Quick interruption from the video. I just created a free school community, and in that community, I'm giving away the first part of my course for free. This is a course that I was charging $5,000 for. I'll also be hosting 2 free weekly calls, and in those calls we'll go over any questions that you have about Airbnb, the hottest markets in the world. I built and designed this program with a global view, so we'll look at the cities with the hottest Airbnb markets so you know exactly where you should be investing. We'll also bring on students that are doing this in different cities around the world. They'll share their perspective on how their market is, how well it's working in that city and that market. So this is a super valuable community. I also share insights and the exact blueprint on how I scaled from 0 to 40K net profit per month in less than 3 years. So if you've ever had interest in doing Airbnb or a business model that allows you to have time and location freedom, make sure you join my free community. I'm only giving free access to this for the next month, so make sure you sign up right away. So we'll start with the top room. And so we have the bathrooms are almost done. You can come in here. There's no light, but yeah, we have the bathroom, like the tile in there with the floors, and yeah, so this will be the shower right here, and yeah, it's coming along. This floor, we have a bedroom here.
This one is not a really nice view.
We'll go check out the pool after this. But we got the pool delivered. It's pre-made pool and jacuzzi. So yeah, we'll go see that now. But yeah, this floor used to have the kitchen, and now it's a bedroom. We took out the kitchen.
And the living room.
Living room too, yeah. So this is another bedroom. We still don't have, as you can see, the glass doors delivered. That comes in 2 weeks, June 15th. They're gonna deliver those, install all new glass windows, doors.
Here we made the roofs like taller.
Yeah, here the roofs are taller as well. This area up there is going to be a co-working space. So we're going to have desks, kind of like a sofa area. Another bedroom here. This is where the kitchen, and also there was like a maid's quarter. So like it's basically like tiny room where maids sleep. Took that out, and we have bathroom over here, and yeah, this is bedroom over here. But yeah, bathroom and nice kind of skylight up there. But yeah, the bathrooms are coming along. As you can see, we have tiles on the floor and the bathrooms, the walls.
Hola.
And here we're gonna have the washer dryer, and we're actually gonna do, so we have enough room for 2 units. We're gonna do, they have like the stackable ones. So we'll have 1 washer dryer unit here, like the tower one, and then 1 here. That way we don't have to go deliver laundry. Perhaps someone pick up the laundry and do that. Save money.
Logistics.
Yeah. 2 more bedrooms here. And this one has a pretty big bathroom actually. I feel like this one's bigger than the other ones. And this is kind of a cool curved wall.
We divided this bathroom in 2.
Yeah, because this used to be like
The master bathroom.
as you can see, we have wood floors that we're able to salvage. So we're gonna save some money on the flooring. Some of these have wood floors that we found from when we tore up the old flooring. So bedroom here, we don't have to go in there, it's fine. Don't step here.
Okay.
But it's
Yeah.
and over there they're laying the tile.
Don't step there.
But yeah, that's another bedroom over there. Bathroom back there. And this is the social floor. Yeah, so this is the social floor. It's gonna be kitchen over here. And living room over here. Yeah, living room with TV, and this is going to be a second kind of living room over here.
Yeah.
So we're actually putting in a closet here as well, because before we didn't have a closet for like sheets, towels, everything. So this wall is going to be, I think, up to here. So we'll have a closet here, and then here's gonna be some chairs. And what else? We're gonna have a bar in here too.
It's like a cigar room.
Cigar room. And there we're gonna do like a cool mirror. Yeah. Let's go check out the area.
Son las 10, a las 11. Vamos por usted a las 11. Sí.
Okay, so here we have pool and jacuzzi down there. As you can see, these are pre-made. Saved us a lot of time. If we wanted to do like actual tile and build it ourselves, would have taken, I think, 2 more additional months. So that's just time that we didn't have. So yeah, we did pre-made, saved us a lot of money, a lot of time. It was like half the price too. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna come in and lay tile on top of that, this material. So it looks more like high-end, and yeah, it's not gonna look like cheap like how it is now. It's gonna be white tile. We're gonna have cement going up on the top. So hopefully the plan is to make it look, you know, really high end, and you won't be able to tell. Up here we have the cold plunge. Okay, and so here we have the cold plunge. We made this out of concrete. He built it himself. So we got to buy the water cooling machine, and we'll have this set up over there, so it cools the water, and you don't have to buy like the ice to actually go in there. This is like super deep, so I hope the machine that we buy, we're gonna buy like the biggest one that they have. But yeah, I hope it cools it like quickly, and you know, it works. Sound is gonna be up there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You think we're gonna finish in 2 months?
I think so, because like right now you see it like this, but
Yeah, it
this is
looks
like the
pretty-
hardest part.
Yeah.
The demolition, the construction.
Yeah. I guess things that we have pending are finishing the pool. They already have the water lines, all that set up. We gotta tile it. They're gonna build the barbecue down there. So we'll go down there, but they're building a barbecue with like an island. I'll throw in like a photo of the render, show you how it's gonna look. It's gonna be like a roof area, and yeah. So they just have this. They gotta obviously finish the carpentry work, the kitchen, and we're putting the order in for the furniture to have made. Takes about a month and a half. And yeah, that's I think pretty much all we have pending. Yeah, so here will be the barbecue area over here. I think we showed this room before, so we'll show this quick. Here's pretty big walk-in closet it's gonna be, and another bathroom over there. And
These rooms are cool because they have a little view.
this room too will have a view, and also walk out balcony. Step on this. So you get a small view. It's not like you're up in Palmas, but it is a small view. But I mean, yeah, the main advantage to this house is location. Your 4-minute Uber drive to Provenza, Jedis, 3 minutes away from Tesoro Mall. You can walk to Amsterdam Plaza. It's like a 5-minute walk that has all the nice restaurants, stores there. So super convenient located. It's also kind of away from, because when you stay, unless you want to like party all night, you want to stay away from Provenza and Jedis because it just gets so noisy. So it's kind of best of both worlds. You're super close, but you also have peace and quiet. That's why we bought this house. We'll do an update in like 1 more month, so see how it's going. But yeah, 2 months. We have 2 months. We can't waste any time. I am a little bit nervous that because I mean, yeah, we already have an Airbnb booking, so it's not like we can cancel that. If there's anything that we miss, there's a lot of like little details, things you have to order, like beds, furniture, all these small things. If we miss, one thing, it could totally throw us off. I'm a little bit nervous for that because you can't cancel Airbnb reservation.
What happens if you cancel?
So you can cancel, but Airbnb actually has it to where you have to pay a certain percent of the reservation. Depending on like how early you cancel, they have like percentages. So it could be, I think it's ranging anywhere from 10 to 90% of the reservation value that you have to pay the guest.
Wow.
So it's definitely not something that you want to do ever. And if you do it too many times, they can actually delete your account. So just not something that you want to do.
And how come you already have bookings without having like the house ready?
So we have the renders of the house, and we put those photos up, and on the description we have these photos or renders. We also have cancellation policy is flexible, so they can cancel the booking penalty free all the way up to the day before they check in. So that makes it less risky on their side. Say we finish, we get the actual photos up, and there's something that they don't like, they can cancel penalty free. But yeah, having renters, that saves a lot of time and money. We don't have to wait until 3 days after it's done to get the photos. That's a lot of, we have 3 months of this listing up and active, which is super helpful. We can get bookings up, that first month. We've already gotten, I think, 6 or 7 bookings. So yeah, that's super helpful to get the renders up, get bookings coming in. And yeah, that saves money and time. And yeah, like I said, we'll make another video 1 month down the line, so like a month before it's done. And also when it's done. Budget, we're looking more or less on track. It's going over a little bit. I think it's gonna be 300 to 350,000 that we're gonna be spending on the whole renovation, including furniture, linens, beds, towels, everything should be 3 to 350.
With the fees for the architect design?
With fees and I think everything, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll do a final video, share exactly how much we've spent, how much we're projecting to make with this property. Right now we're at about 1,200 to 1,300 a night on average. So it's looking pretty promising as long as it actually comes out as nice as renders. But I'm confident that it will. Like all the things that we're doing, things that we're adding, and materials that we're choosing are all pretty high end. They're not like the highest that you can go, but they're pretty high end materials, and yeah, we're definitely not cheaping out on anything. So there's no ways ever we're gonna finish the video here.